standing on the moon playing my guitar. I was thinking of when I loved you most. You were standing on the moon playing my guitar, and my lipstick on your mouth matched your jacket. You were showing me a tune on the moon. It was there in that moment when you looked down, some kind of innocence that moved me. It was in your smile, it was in your eyes, and your music like a flame danced around me, soared and engulfed me. Wild, sweet caged bird, set free to fly. Cold and lonely it would be now in this old town without you, babe. Oh, how cold and lonely it would be now in this old town without you, babe.